Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Filecoin Dev Summit Public Goods Track. Delighted to see so many of you in the morning today and ready to dive into most exciting challenges in our ecosystem, innovating public goods funding tech. So today is a 2.5-hour session where I hope that this is both enlightening and actionable for you. We're bringing world-class leaders in public goods funding space along with the team that built IPFS. So creating an opportunity to push the boundaries of the space. So first, the programming is like, first we will explore where we are today and what are the possibilities. We'll start with an inspiring talk by Kevin Owocki to get the landscape of on-chain capital allocation mechanisms. If you're curious, you will see you have on-chain capital allocation handbooks on your tables, so make sure you grab one. We will then dive into Filecoin's RPGF program, examining the past, present, and the future with Tom and Kiran. And then we will move into our another segment, which is inspiration to build, where we have pioneering talks by mechanism builders who will talk about their mechanisms, why they built it, what it can achieve, vision, and how you can build on top of it or how you can use it. What are you excited about, Raymond?
So I'm super excited that we have all these people in the room here today. I want us to start with a blank slate. So dispel yourselves of any notions of what you think RetroPGF is or what public goods mechanisms are. Forget about all of that. We're going to start from scratch today. Bottom line is, we have no idea whether or not these mechanisms are the right mechanisms in the long term and what actually works. And I think we're all here, specifically at the Filecoin Dev Summit, because we want to grow the Filecoin economy by 10x. If you don't genuinely believe that PGF mechanisms can get us there, let's just stop meeting and wasting our time here. But if you genuinely believe that funding allocations can be the key to unlocking growth in this economy, that we have some mechanisms and some iterations left to go in how to allocate funds to best grow this network, let's figure this out here. We have the right people from Filecoin, we have the right people from adjacent ecosystems, we have shared learnings that we're going to talk about in a bunch of different talks about what we've learned about what's working and, more crucially, what's not working in other ecosystems. And let's figure out what's right for this economy, because I don't know that copying and pasting the mechanism from some other ecosystem into this ecosystem is necessarily going to result in the exact same results. I think we have to figure out what works best here. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start with Kevin Owocki to give us an overview of on-chain capital allocation.
Woohoo!
Yay.